Okay, so to get your alphas done correctly on your crate, I'm just going to show you a really quick example of what you need to do now in your Maya file or 3ds Max, whatever you're using. You need to load back in your Photoshop file, grab the Targa file, so save it as Targa, and it has to be under RGB, but it has to be under 8-bit at the same time. So I can show you really quick there, but I'm going to show you content browser. This is my file. Static mesh will load up and it will show you uh, how the alpha is not being applied yet. So sitting here, we can bring that over here, and then let's go over to our material, double click on that, and bring up the material editor. So holding control, I'm going to move these guys over and out of my way so you can see. And right here is our alpha channel, and that's what we need to do. So if you take a look at your preview material, you will see that opacity and opacity mask are not highlighted or on. So we got to come down here to a material and change our blend mode from opaque to masked. Now blend masked and translucent also works, but your entire object becomes translucent, and that's not what we want. So once we change that over, you can see opacity mask has opened up. Let's just drag that over and you'll see update right over there. So now our alpha is done. We'll close that and save it. And now when we bring that guy back over, you will see your alpha is now being applied. Now you might see the light small white edges around it, but when we do it in game, you also see that it shows it black, that it's no longer there. And our stack mesh updates, dragging that off to the screen, and there we go. And you have your crate, and it should be throwing your alpha through, and your lighting will have to be rebaked, of course, so you can go up here and build all to rebake that lighting into the thing, and you'll be good to go. Now, of course, the lighting is a little too bright to really make it any good, so you can go in here, and I noticed about a 2. 1 to 2 is right about where I like it. I thought it was a little bright before, so play from there. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to save the package before I do that, but I don't really need to. So there you go. You can see that it's already done, and you can see your LOD is being applied here. As you pull away, your alpha is being reapplied, and it's no longer taking as much. Come forward, and it shows full transparency. All right.